I said run, I said walk, not run. Who are you, girl who's limping?
Me.
Oh, hello, me. We are on a wild goose chase. We are chasing down the rodent.
It's like rattlesnakes.
Oh no, rattlesnakes!
That's scary.
Don't run that way. We're going to film people. This is documentary number 1. Well, actually, we've had many more, but we'll try again.
No! Wrong! Why are you running?
Why run? Don't run! So, Amber.
Yeah.
What's up?
I'm a teapot.
Oh, you are. Are you a little teapot or a big teapot?
I'm a little teapot. Oh, I'm not supposed to have my hand on my stomach yet.
That looks really retarded.
I know.
I see a starfish! Starfish! Victoria, look at my skirt. Hello. Well, that was random. We are going to pass the camera off to Amber now. She will be recording.
Yay!
My job, me. Okay, so I'm a lot better.
Again?
Hello. So, yeah. Hey, look, a video. We're making a video. Hi. Allow me to introduce myself. Like, allow you to. What is your name?
I'm Kayla.
Kayla what?
Kayla, none of your business. Food time.
Okay. Hello, Bob.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm great. I'm recording this.
That is Bob.
Yeah, I am.
Is it?
Say hello, Bob.
Hello, Bob.
No. Hello, Bob.
Let's go. Let's go see Joey in his cool hat.
Food?
You gonna go and eat now?
Yes, I am.
Get Joey on
Food time.
So,
you're gonna film Joey in his cool hat.
Yeah, Joey has a really cool hat on.
It's like bright pink. You can see it from like very far away. But it's not his hat.
No, it's definitely
Because he's not cool enough to own a hat like that.
No, not cool enough at all.
Yes.
Sorry, I heard you.
I'm talking about Joey. Not you, Roland. You're cool. Okay, food time. Hello, everyone. Everyone.
What?
Hi.
Honey. Meaning them.
Rob, say hello to the camera. Okay, so I'm coming.
Well, this is Joey in his cool hat.
Well, I'm gonna be bombing today.